everyone, and welcome to my kitchen. It's the 1st of December today, and actually it's almost snowing outside. Let me show you. This is what it looks like. Actually, I'm going back to Denmark tomorrow. I have some things I have to get done before I can officially move in here. So I have a lot of things to do in Denmark, so I want to do it before Christmas. So right now I'm meal prepping for Jongbin because he's actually getting vacation in 2 weeks or something like that, so he will go in 2 weeks as well. There are a lot of things going on in my kitchen right now. I have a very busy day today. Cooking. I want to clean up and make everything ready for him so he can just relax when he get back, because he's out for a match right now. Far away, I think 5 hours drive minimum, so I just want him to be able to relax when he get back. Then I also have to get packing and stuff. So far cooking. Let me show you. Cooking, boiling. Lasagna, homemade. I hope it will taste good. Can we just take a moment to appreciate how satisfying this is? It's a fit. Perfect. Now it's ready for the oven. So I'll see you when it's done. Just took it out of the oven. It's done. And I just finished making a beautiful salad. Cranberries, very Christmassy, so it's perfect. I'm currently working on the last thing I need to meal prep. I want to make some egg and tuna wraps. So I just need some cucumber, some tuna and some avocado, and then it will be all good. Last thing I need now is this one. The tuna mixed with yogurt and some herbs. Delicious. And some lime. I'm almost done packing, and I got my bag over here, and then I'm just about to take a shower. I really need a shower. And then I'm ready to watch the football match. Yay! So tired, been cleaning, been cooking, but all worth it. And then I need to make a surprise for Jongbin, so that's going to be very exciting. Hopefully I will remember to film it. I'll see you guys later after my shower. I'm done taking my shower, and I found the match online because apparently we didn't have the right channel, so I had some difficulties, but Oppa is not playing yet, so I'm still waiting. While I'm waiting for him to come, I will prepare the gift for him. And I have my tea. I hope he will play today. I really do hope and pray that he will. Time will tell. I just wrote him a letter that I want to put with the gift. I am ready for him to come. His surprise is ready. He didn't play. And they lost. It was good to relax for a little bit, but I think I have to slowly start making some dinner. I finished eating, and I finished cleaning, and I finished packing, so now I can relax. Finally. I don't know how to do with the gift. Like, should I put it inside the door so it's the first thing he sees when he gets there? Or should I go to bed and like sleep and then put it on the bed and then he will see there? I have some things to think about. I'll figure something out. I just wanna relax now. It's getting late. He will be here in 20 minutes. I'm just having a good time with We missed you. Hi.
You have a gift for me? No, you didn't. Nah, Sille. Oh, you shouldn't do that. Come on, I really wanted to have this.
Oh, it looks good. And it's the right size. Good morning.
Good morning.
How do you like the gift?
So much.
I think it suits you so well. Let's enjoy our last morning together.
No.
Okay, let's enjoy this morning together.
Okay, thank you. Ooh. This beautiful girl is this. Our last breakfast.
Yeah.
Thank you for making good breakfast.
Enjoy.
Thank you. I'm so sad. Sille's going to Denmark now. I have to be alone for 2 weeks because she's going to Denmark for her own sake. But I'm gonna be okay. I'm gonna see my wife soon again.
Yeah.
How's your feeling?
Nervous.
First time flying alone. Geneva Airport.
Are you ready to get some coffee?
Yeah. She's going back, so I'm sad.
But we are enjoying our last time together. This is basically what Copenhagen looks like. Bikes everywhere and more over there. So the sun was shining when I got here, but now it's raining. Like always, Copenhagen. Anyways, I'm trying to find where the flex buses are because I'm going to take a flex bus home. 5 hours and then I'll be there, so long way to go. Let's find it. Found it. Yay! It's cold here up north.
Someone's at them.
Hej mor. Tak mor. Falafel.